a transformative era in Earth's history that lasted from 2.5 billion to about 539 million years ago. Our planet, once a giant ball of gases like methane and carbon dioxide, started to change. This eon witnessed the oxygenation of the atmosphere, primarily due to the advent of photosynthetic bacteria. These organisms, through their ability to convert sunlight into energy, began pumping oxygen into an atmosphere that had been dominated by methane and carbon dioxide. This significant increase in oxygen levels, known as the Great Oxidation Event, fundamentally altered the planet's chemistry and paved the way for new life forms to emerge. The Proterozoic also saw the appearance of eukaryotic cells, a major evolutionary leap. Unlike the simple prokaryotic cells that had dominated the Earth, eukaryotes possess a nucleus and other internal organelles, enabling greater complexity and diversity in life. This cellular complexity allowed for the development of multicellular organisms, setting the foundations for the life that would follow. One of the most striking features of the Proterozoic era was the formation of the first supercontinent, Rodinia, and its eventual breakup. This geological event had profound effects on the planet's climate, ocean circulation, and biodiversity. The breakup of Rodinia is thought to have led to ice ages, known as snowball Earth events, where the planet was covered in ice from pole to pole. So, between those chilly times of the ice ages, Earth warmed up, giving early multicellular life a chance to evolve and thrive. The end of the Proterozoic eon was marked by the Cambrian explosion, a relatively short period during which most major animal phyla appeared. This event dramatically increased the complexity and diversity of life on Earth, leading to the Phanerozoic eon, the age of visible life. The Proterozoic eon, with its profound geological, atmospheric, and biological changes, set the stage for this explosion of life, showcasing the complex play between Earth's physical environment and the evolution of life. Then came the chapter of the Phanerozoic eon. The Phanerozoic eon, marking the era from approximately 540 million years ago to the present, represents a significant chapter in Earth's history, characterized by the emergence and evolution of life as we know it. This eon is divided into three major eras: the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic, each signifying distinct periods of geological and biological change. The Paleozoic era, stretching from 540 to 252 million years ago, was a critical period in Earth's history, marked by revolutionary biological, geographical, and atmospheric developments. It began with the Cambrian explosion, an extraordinary burst in life diversity that brought forth most of the principal animal groups. This period marked the first appearance of complex life forms with hard parts, such as shells and exoskeletons, significantly enriching the fossil record. Oceanic creatures flourished during the Paleozoic, with the emergence of extensive coral formations and the supremacy of trilobites, brachiopods, and the inaugural fish. The period witnessed the evolution of vertebrates, with fish becoming the leading vertebrates by the Devonian period, often termed the Age of Fishes. A crucial shift occurred when plants and animals began colonizing land. Early plants, such as mosses and ferns, paved the way for later, more complex forms, including the first trees, which fundamentally changed the landscape and atmosphere of the planet. This greening of the continents provided habitats for the first terrestrial animals, including various arthropods and amphibians. The Paleozoic era concluded with the largest mass extinction in Earth's history, the End-Permian extinction, wiping out roughly 95% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. This event dramatically reshaped life on Earth, setting the stage for the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs. The reasons behind this mass extinction are still studied, with theories including volcanic eruptions, climate change, and ocean anoxia. The Paleozoic era, with its dynamic changes in life forms and ecosystems, was fundamental in shaping the modern world. highlighting the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. The Mesozoic era, often called the Age of Reptiles, was a game-changer in Earth's long history. Think of it as the blockbuster period when dinosaurs ruled the land, setting the stage for the rise of mammals and birds. This era, lasting from 252 to 66 million years ago, witnessed the evolution of dinosaurs into diverse forms that dominated terrestrial ecosystems. Mammals during this time were mostly small and nocturnal, living in the shadows of these colossal reptiles. During this period, birds made their debut, linking their evolutionary journey to the mighty theropod dinosaurs. This connection highlights the complex relationships and shared histories within the natural world. However, like all significant periods in history, the Mesozoic era came to an end. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, a major crisis, effectively ended the dinosaur era, paving the way for mammals to emerge as the dominant life forms. Without the competition from dinosaurs, mammals took their chance to evolve and spread, setting the stage for their success in the Cenozoic era. The Mesozoic era, with its beginning dominance and eventual decline of dinosaurs, offers a unique glimpse into Earth's history. It highlights the continuous evolution of life and the ever-changing landscape of our planet, reminding us of the resilience of life and its ability to adapt and thrive in the face of challenges. The Cenozoic era, which began about 66 million years ago and extends to the present day, marks a time of significant biological, geographical, and climatic transformations that have shaped Earth's current landscape. Often referred to as the Age of Mammals, this era saw mammals flourish and become the predominant land animals after the catastrophic event at the end of the Cretaceous period that led to the extinction of dinosaurs. Following the disappearance of the dinosaurs, mammals evolved and filled the ecological roles left by their ancient reptiles. The Cenozoic era emerged, worsening the accumulation of plastic waste in our environment. This has led to about 14 million tons of plastic being dumped into the oceans annually, a figure that is expected to double by 2040 without significant intervention. Deforestation continues at an alarming rate, with the planet potentially having only 10% of its forests by 2030 if current rates continue. This not only contributes to carbon emissions, but also to the loss of biodiversity, as forests are home to a multitude of species. Air pollution remains one of the biggest environmental problems, with an estimated 4.2 to 7 million people dying from air pollution worldwide each year. In some regions, air pollution cuts life expectancy by about 5 years, underscoring the global scale of this issue. Looking ahead, the paths forward for humanity and the Earth involve accepting sustainable practices and technologies. Solutions like carbon capture and storage, renewable energy sources, and sustainable agriculture can mitigate some of the adverse effects of industrialization and climate change. Additionally, a global shift towards a green economy, recognizing the intertwined nature of economic growth and environmental sustainability, is essential for promoting inclusive environmental sustainability and global climate adaptation. Future prospects hinge on our collective action to address these environmental challenges. Through innovation, policy reform, and global cooperation, there is potential to steer humanity and the planet towards a more sustainable and resilient path. Our planet's history is one of constant change, shaped by natural forces and, more recently, human activity. As we've evolved, so has our impact on Earth, leading to significant environmental challenges like climate change, loss of biodiversity, and pollution. These challenges require action that embraces sustainable practices and technological innovation, aiming for a balance between development and environmental preservation. Moving forward, it's crucial for humanity to act responsibly, ensuring that our planet remains a viable home for all life forms. To secure the future of the Earth, let's be bold in our actions and wise in our decisions.